Nore mātana hau, he uri no miti o te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhihi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi ke taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hi ika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. Te tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe tangaro.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, e haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. He whai ake nei, te Aotea hau, e hi ana me oku karanga tuahine a Mairehau rāua ko Chrissy.
Oh, fish on, Chrissy.
He timatanga pai mo Chrissy I te mahi hi.
It is beautiful. Perfect. Ohohoho.
Ka ruku moana hau ki te tiki kai mo te whānau, ā ka tuku e Mairehau tana aho piu āringa.
Ouch!
You're on.
Oh, what the
It's pulling line.
Tangaro Āroto rises 8 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon, a time of surging energy and usually a great time for fishing.
E te whānau, tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika e ai ki te maramataka. I te rānei kei Aotea hau, ā e haere ana hau ki te tūtaki ki aku karanga tuahine a Mairehau, rāua ko Chrissy, ko te mahi I te rānei ko te hika mai I ngā toka. Ko te wahanga o te maramataka I te rānei ko Tangaro Āroto. I whiti mai a Tangaro Āroto I te ata pōnei, ā kei roto tonu I tērā wahanga o te maramataka mo te roanga o tēnei rā, taino ki te kōwhitinga mai anō o Tangaro Kiokio, hei te ata pō, āpōpō e heke mai nei. Whānau, just pulling up to the beach now, ready to catch up with the cuzzies, jump on my little boat, head on out, find us a nice rocky area to send some burley, see if we can get some taumere for the cuzzy Mairehau to take to her kaupapa. Morena.
Morena. Morena. Kia ora, cuzzy.
Kia ora.
O, te whānau, ko tai mai ki tēnei wāhia tāhui, tēnei wā o te maramataka o Tangaro Āroto, kei konei aku karanga tuahine nei, ko te haere mātou, marunga I taku poti iti nei, a pocket rocket, haere ana ki ngā toka, ko reira ka tūkirunga I ngā toka, hiki reira ko te tūmanako ka maui ngā tini momoika o te wāhine tēnei wāhia tāhua, cuzzies, beautiful, nice to be here. Such a special place and I feel privileged to be able to come out, have a fish with you today.
Kia ora cousin. I know mai hoki mai ki Aotea. Beautiful to see your smiling face back on our motu again. You know, ko te tēnā pēr, ko te kaupapa o tēnei rā, kia hi ika, kia kohi kaimoana, ka hari ki aku whanaunga ki Taupo, Taupo moana, nō reira, tēnā pē ko tērā te kaupapa o tēnei rā. This afternoon I'm heading out down to my whānau down in Taupo. So yeah, that'd be really cool, being in the lake in the middle of the North Island. No kaimoana, no snapper, no tāmure, so if we could take that and koha to my whānau, that'd be awesome, it'd be cool.
Whānau, that's an awesome mission. That's our kaupapa for the day.
Kia ora.
E hononga no tāku ki roto o tūwhare tō, no tērā wāhi tōku māma. So on one side of my whānau, I'm from Ngāti Tūwhare Tō, little place called Wāhine on the lakeside.
Oh.
So that's where my whānau comes from on my mum's side. So this is awesome. I'm helping to gather kai for our whānau back down in Tūwhare Tō. E te whānau, ko rite mātou, we'll get our boat in the water, go make our way out to a nice spot where we can burley up and see if we can get some tāmure and any other fish that Tangaro might be willing to give us today, send to this kaupapa.
Kia ora, tēnā pai. Mauri ora.
Okay. I tēnei wāhi, he mahi ua ki te whakarewa poti I te taipakoa.
Engari, nā te iti o taku poti pīhau, he mahi māma, te whakarewa, ā ka hore i roa, ko rite mātou ki te haere. Ko rite mātou.
Ai.
So, e te whānau mai konei, wehana i konei, haere ki ko atu. Going to go around the corner somewhere, just look for a nice sheltered bay. It's not too windy out here, but we want to have the wind behind us so that it's nice and comfortable. That also helps with the burley heading out. Ko te tai pako ai ānei, nā ko huri te tai e pari mai ana. So we're fishing an incoming tide isn't necessarily always the best for burley sessions, but I think in places like this, as long as you can get on the rocks, yeah, you're good to go. He whai taku poti pīhau mo te haere ki te hi mai ngā toka. He poti haumaru ki te kawe tangata, ahatea te rehutai ka pā ki a koe i etahi wā, he paitonu mo tēnei momo mahi kia tai atu ki ngā wāhi pēnei I Aotea. So on the inside here, so with any luck it might bring fish out from the farms as well, if it comes towards the farms. He māma hoki te puta atu ki ngā toka. Te āhua nei, he wāhi pai tēnei mo te hi. He kā ruhi e tū tei ana ki ngā ika nonohi I roto I te moana, he pūkawa kei raro I te moana ka uhia ki te rimu. Oh, well, whānau, we made it safely on the rocks, unloaded all our gear. First thing, put our burley out. Hopefully the tāmure will sniff that out while they're out on the reef. Give that a bit of time while we set up our rods. Are you fishing with a hand line today?
Yep.
This is what you call grassroots, whānau. Hand line, love it. It reminds me of my old days of fishing. So when I first started fishing in Miti Miti, we never fished with surf casters, we had a hand line. And we'd catch snapper, tāmure, kahawai. So that'll be awesome. I'd love to see you catching fish on that today.
Yeah, and the thing is too, you know, you can take this anywhere. Like you just chuck this in your backpack, your pico, and you can go out the rocks, whereas rods, you know, you've got to walk them around the rocks. It can be quite difficult. A couple of hooks, a little sinker. Yeah, sorted. That slides up and down the line.
Perfect. Oh, that's epic. Kua tai te wā, kia whakarite e Mairehau tana aho piu āringa.
I'm going to take the head part because, yeah, I think that's what the fish like to eat. And the guts as well. We'll give this one a go. I'm going to bring the hook around and into the gut because I think fish go for the gut first. So we'll give that a go, eh? Watch out because I might take your head off.
Oh, look at that. It's like poetry in motion.
I know, so easy. And that's it. And then we just sit and wait.
Te whai ake nei, ka kai mai ngā ika, ka hoku a Chrissy I te tāmure pai. They're going to eat well. Beautiful, beautiful. He ika nunui ka mau ki te aho piu āringa a Mairehau. Go Mairehau.
Oh, what the
It's pulling line. Tangaro Āroto rises 8 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a time of surging energy and a great time for fishing. Kei Aotea hau e hiana me oku karanga tu Wāhine a Chrissy rao ko Mairehau. Ko tukuna te maunu ko natu, e whakapoapoa ana ngā ika. E te whānau titoro ana hau ki roto I te Wāhine, ko kitau I ngā kōheru. We've got some Jack Macs just sitting in the burley trail here, quite a lot of them. So to ensure we've got good bait, not only dead bait for the tāmure, but also live bait for the warahinga if they are to show up. See if we can get some on the sabiki. Just like that.
Wow.
Yes. Beautiful baits, you can throw these out whole. You can also use them as livey, so I'll just pop this to the side and tuck it back in.
Nice.
Perfect. Ko te whainga matua I te rānei, ko te tiki kai kia maurea e Mairehau ki tōna whānau I Taupo, a te ahi nei.
That monkey took my bait. It's gone. How do you know? Because it's light. Something's bit that big bit of bait. Look at that, only left the head. So there's some fish out there, whānau.
Ke hi ana Mairehau me tana aho pū āringa, he mahi pērā ki te wā o ona mātua. Engari I te rānei, ko Chrissy te tuatahi ki te mau ika me tana pauhi.
Oh, that's a nice fish, sis.
Haha,
That's a beautiful tamure.
not a bad start.
Not even 5 minutes.
I reckon.
Te ika tuatahi o te rā, ka hoki kia tangaroa.
That's a nice tamure. Normally we'd send the first fish back, but because this one swallowed the hook, it's only going to die if we send it back, so the next fish we catch will be our koha back to Tangaroa. If I ever gut hook a fish on the first one, even though our tikanga is to give the first one back, you got to give one back that's going to live. So this one, well legal, first one for the bin. Ka pai, ka rawe. Too good whānau, we're catching fish, kai for the kaupapa. Ko te ika tuatahi tēnei mo te whānau, ā ka whai wāhi atu a Mairehau ki ngā kai reka o te rohe nei.
Got some kutai. We've got some green lips here, and then our native black mussel here as well. So when you open, this is how I do it. You push one side, then one lip will go over the other, and then you can get your knife in easy. Everyone opens mussels differently. This is how I was taught. Really close to the shell inside to get that chewing gum bit out, to lift it from the shell, and then I just run it down again. And then when you open it, look at that cream. Would you call that hinu?
I don't know if it's hinu, but they're momona.
Momona,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the kupu, eh?
Yeah, momona.
So you've got a real momona kutai here, and you can see all the cream on it. I just get the knife in on the other side too, and take another bit from the top, and this top, and then it should just like slide out like that, and then you can just... Are you sure you don't want it, cuzzy?
You carry on.
Okay, so then I get to eat this too?
Yeah.
Wow. The taste of Tangaroa. Tūmeke.
Nō mātou te waimarie me ngā hua Tangaroa ko hōmai. Mea rawa ake ko tai anō te wā kia Chrissy. Oh, you're on. Yeah, you got him. You got a good fish on there, Chrissy.
Just like that. It's moving a lot. It's a kahawai. Oh, it's a nice one too.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's a nice size.
Yeah, look at that whānau.
Awesome, sis.
That's a nice kahawai.
That is.
Check that out, whānau. That's a beautiful eating fish. Too big to use for bait, I'd say. It'd be a good one to eat, eh?
Yeah, good for that. Ikamata. That is a beautiful one.
Right, the kahawai are here, whānau. The kohiru are here. We'll bleed it, put it in the ice bag. A nice one for Mairehau to be able to take with her, along with some of the tāmuri that we've already caught and going to catch while we're here. Te hanga nei ko Chrissy te toki hi mo te wā nei, ā e kāre ana Mairehau I tana ika tuatahi.
Oh, it's hungry. I finally got a fish,
Yeah, you got a fish on.
but it's a little baby one. Finally. Here he comes. Oh,
Oh, it's not that small.
it's not that
Not too
small,
bad.
but it's... I think it should go, eh? Me whakahoki kia Tangaroa.
Te a koe.
Oh, look at the way it was.
Mind you,
Oh,
it's right in the eye.
I mean, it will be eaten with by the whānau, so...
Well, it's well over legal. I think because
yeah.
it's pest, it's eye.
Shall I keep this one? Okay, shall I give that to you to do?
Yeah, of course.
Kia ora.
Hey, I'm just enjoying watching you fellas catch fish.
What's the legal centimetres for like a legal
On
tamure?
the east coast, or where we are at the moment, it's 30 centimetres. So that'll be like
Kapai.
34 or thereabouts. So that's
Yeah.
well over legal.
Is that when you measure from the ngutu to this V here?
Aye.
Yeah.
And this will be a beautiful fish to put in the bin, take for the whānau.
Ooh, fish on, Chrissy.
Fish on, yes. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Looking a little bit tamuri. Just smash it. Tamuri.
Oh, beautiful, sis.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Bring it around to me and I'll lift it.
That is beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, check this out, whānau. It's a beautiful, beautiful tamuri. Here off the rocks in Aotea. That's another beautiful fish that'll get to go into the bin. Mairehau can take down to Ngāti Tūwhare Toa, to our whānau down there.
Kia ora, Chrissy.
They're going to eat well. Beautiful, beautiful. Tēnā koe, tangaro. Tēnei wā, o te maramataka, tangaro ā-roto. We are seeing the fruits of the maramataka phase of tangaro ā-roto. Some of the best times to be out fishing. Too good, Chrissy? Cleaning up.
Eternal cry.
So whānau, very important that you kill your fish straight away. Especially with tāmiri, you want to icky it, put it on ice. The quicker you can kill it, put it on ice, the fresher it'll stay. Your fillets stay nice and translucent. And it's just good practice to put the fish out of its misery. So you don't want it flapping around because those spikes are pretty sharp. So I normally just place my foot just to keep it under control. And from the eye, you sort of come back up from the eye just over a centimetre or so, roughly around here, pop it in and give it a bit of a shake. And usually if you get the right spot, the fish will open its mouth and you're pretty much done. Then you can safely take your hooks out, especially if you're using double hooks like this. You don't want the fish flapping around and you end up with a hook in you. That's ready to go. Straight in the bag.
Okay.
Too good, too good.
E whai ake nei, ka rukua hau I te moana ki te tiki kai mo te whānau. Ka tuku maunu ora Mairehau. Nā rawa ake, he whawhai nui kei te haere.
Oh, what the f***?
It's pulling line.
Tangaroa ā-roto rises 8 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a time of surging energy and usually a great day for fishing. Kei Aotea mātou kōku karanga tuāhine, ā e hi ana mai ngā toka. Ko te kaupapa I te rānei, ko te tiki kai kia mauri atu e Mairehau ki tōna whānau I Taupo a te ahi nei. Ā, no mātou te waimarie, ko hopu I a Chrissy ngā ika pai mo te whānau. He maha ngā koheru ki konei, ā ko te whakatau a Mairehau, māna te tahi e tukua hei maunu.
Shall I have it live or shall I kill it?
Put it on live if you want. You'll catch tāmuri on those.
Live?
Yep. Put the hook through the top of its back. So
there?
Sort of like through there, and then when it comes through, your hook's going to sit out like that. So you sort of pop it through there, roll it around so it sits up.
Oh, okay, look, this way?
Yep. And it'll sort of swim out away from you. So you don't even have to really cast it too much, just sort of lob it out and it'll do the rest.
Thank you for being the sacrifice.
Yes.
Oh, he's going. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Tell you what, whānau, it's fishing really well here. We've pretty much got enough kai for you to take on your trip. You've got to catch the plane in a few hours, but
yeah.
What I was thinking, if you're keen, I might go for a bit of a ride around the corner and jump in the water and see if I can maybe get a few kina, and if we're lucky, maybe some koda, and
wow.
We can add that to the mix. That'll be awesome.
Oh, ai marika, that'd be amazing, because, you know, being in the lake.
Well, you got the freshwater kiwi,
yeah,
the freshwater craze, but it'd be nice to get some from the sea to take.
Oh, that'd be, if you could do that, you can be brave enough in this quite a chilly day, but you got your suit, eh?
Yeah, you got my suit. I'm keen as, you know, if nothing else, we're guaranteed to get kina.
Yeah.
And hopefully some koda at te whānau, so...
Well, I think Chrissy's caught all of our fish so far, so that's Kate's pai.
Well, I reckon you two just carry on fishing, try and get some more fish for the whānau. I'll go cruise around the corner, have a dive, and hopefully come back with a bit more koha kai for you to take to the whānau.
Awesome.
That's the new plan, whānau.
Too much.
We're on.
Engari, I mua I taku wehenga atu.
Bite straight away. It's coming in.
Ka pā te raru ki te maunu ora a Mairehau.
It kind of feels like a small fish, but you just never know, eh?
You're on. Go Mairehau.
Ouch! Oh, what the f***?
I wonder what you got on there.
Do you think it's a fly?
Oh, I don't know, but it's pulling line.
No, I'll try and get it in, eh?
You want to pull it and I'll wind it?
That'd be a great idea.
Working together as a team, whānau. Mairehau's hooked something big here. Kāre mohe ana pēnā he whai, he manu rānei. Oh, could be a massive tāmuri.
Oh, it feels like it's caught around something though. Don't you think, sis?
No, it's still coming in. It's not.
No, it is stretching the line, see? Yeah.
Okay, whānau, Mairehau's line is stuck out there. Could possibly still have the fish on and it's just jammed up somewhere. Gonna jump on the boat, see if we can get around and see if we can pull it the other way on the far side. See if we can get it up. Hey, it could be a taimuri that's just jammed in there. May have come off, could be stuck to the rocks, but if we get out, we might find out whether it is or not.
Kai te MΑORI te poti,
Yup.
ka haere tōtika ki te ika.
This is exciting.
I reckon.
Woo!
Oh, imagine if there's a big taimuri on there. That just come off.
Yeah, but there's something on it. It's heavy.
Hey.
How? Oh, nah.
Come off.
Snapped.
That's at the bottom, eh?
Bugger.
Come on.
Bugger! Oh, well. That was a bummer. Well, you win some, you lose some, and that's how it works. The cool thing that's happening now, whānau, is that Nore is going to go and jump into this moana and get us a coda for me to take down to Lake Taupo to my whānau down there, and hopefully some kinners as well. So, yeah, that's awesome.
I te ruku ahau I te moana, ka kite ahau I ngā tini a tangaroa e orana. Ā, he rawe ki te kite I ngā rāngai koheru, e kaukata mai ana ki ahau. Ka kite ahau I tētahi poraka, e tohu mai ana he wāhi pai pia tēnei o te kaura. Ā, me arawa ake, ka kite ahau I tētahi kaura pai. I ētahi wā, ka whakamahia e ahau taku tari, e pakaru te kaura. Nōku te waimarie, nā te hau kai ngā hau I āheia, te ruku kai I tēnei wāhi a tāhua. Ā, ko taku mahi mutunga I konei, ko te tiki kina ki te whakaki I taku pēke. Ko ki te kite, ā, ko ti taku mahi I konei.
Well, whānau, we've got a kai. I don't think those kiddo are too fat, but got a few just to be safe. Take back. Gotta get back to Wairehau before she heads off to go catch her plate. Hopefully they've caught some fish while I've been down there having a bit of a swim around. Some nice coda there, this one, big one. But, te maunui, ko te tiki kai, ko hopu.
E rima noa ngā miniti te roa, ā, ko tai atu anō ki aku karanga tuāhine.
All good?
Hi.
Got us the kai. Yeah, pai te ruku.
Alright, how did you go?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah? Got something to take with me down to Taupo for the whānau? Oh, that tail looks like a good size, cuz.
Oh yeah, all good.
Oh, wow. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what a koha, eh?
Nice red.
Awesome.
Spiny rock lobster, coda. This one's a male. There were a few females around, seen quite a lot of coda there. We've just kept the males here. Nice size, good eating size. Rawe.
Kia ora. Nō reira, tēnei mihi nui ki a koe cousin, mō tēnei tino koha mō te whānau o Ngāti Tūwharetoa. Tēnā koe.
Tō tāua whānau tēnā, nōku te waimarie, nau te rohe nei. So this is your area. I'm just privileged to be able to come here, help gather kai for your kaupapa. It's been an amazing day out here, bit of land-based fishing. We got some taimuri, I got in the water, we got some coda and some kina. It's been a privilege, cuzzies. Thank you very much for having me out here in your beautiful rohe. We've got kai for you, Mairehau, to take back to your whānau, our whānau in Tūwharetoa. So, ko oti te whainga I te rānei. Nō reire te whānau, kau e wareware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika, e ai ki te maramataka.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.